Hi there, this is David from Adam's Image. Today is Sunday, February 9th, and it's day 7th of our adventure here in New Zealand on our photo tour. I'm really excited about today because we're going to take a helicopter ride along the Tasman Glacier this morning. In the afternoon, we're going to do the Hooker Valley Trail and hike across some awesome swing bridges. The Tasman Glacier, the largest in New Zealand, is 18 miles long and 2 miles at its widest point. Because of climate change, the glacier is retreating and forming a lake below. This is a shot of the helicopter I was riding in. It was taken by a colleague who was in the other aircraft. Here we are at the Hooker Valley Trail, and we're getting some majestic shots by the river and by the bridges. The Hooker Valley Trail was about 6 miles round trip, although my watch clocked 8 miles. The trail had us cross 3 swing bridges, and only a maximum of 20 people could be on at the same time. A special call out to my friend Bob, who's enjoying my videos with his breakfast. All in all, a great day with the helicopter ride on the glaciers and the hike through the Hooker Valley Trail. Thanks for watching, and please let me know if you liked my video. Please hit the subscribe button to be notified of new adventures from Adam's Image. Goodbye until next time.